Hello friends, this is Dr. Abdul Mubin A. Mundewadi from Mundewadi Ayurvedic Clinic. In today's video, we will discuss the Ayurvedic herbal treatment of a disease known as frozen shoulder. Now the term itself is indicative that the shoulder gets frozen. The capsule or the tendons which form the capsule joint, these tend to freeze, and the movement for that particular joint gets considerably restricted. Now, usually this is seen in the elderly population, but sometimes it may occur also in young or the middle-aged people. Usually, trauma may cause this, sometimes if the joint is immobilized for a long time, but sometimes no particular reason is seen in this disease. Now, this disease usually demonstrates three different stages. In the first stage, there is severe pain in the joint. Gradually, this is followed by severe stiffness in which the joint becomes almost immobile, and in the last stage there is a general thawing of the stiffness. The stiffness reduces, but still the joint is considerably immobile, and there is a restriction of movement. So the patient is not able to move the joint, is not able to lift his hand, or not able to take his hand in the backward direction behind the body. So this can cause considerable limitation of movement and pain. Now, Ayurvedic herbal treatment is very effective for this disease. Oral herbal medication is given to reduce the pain and swelling and the stiffness in the joint and the tendons. And this is also backed up with local application of medicated oils, followed by steam medication. And so this joint treatment is usually very effective in gradually lessening all the symptoms, and usually around 4 to 6 months treatment is required, in which almost all patients get cured from this frozen shoulder. Afterwards, some small doses of medicine may possibly be required in a few patients, or patients who get cured completely can do some sort of physiotherapy later on to keep the joint mobile. So in this way, Ayurvedic herbal treatment is very useful in the treatment of frozen shoulder. So friends, this is the short description of Ayurvedic herbal treatment for frozen shoulder. Let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.